Hello and welcome to a tutorial from Imagine Landscapes Knits. Right now we're going to be talking about 2 over 1 right crosses. So I've got my 3 stitches right here. Let's work up to them. Alright, I'm going to show you both with a cable needle and without. We'll start with. What we need to do is we need to take 1 stitch and slide it onto the cable needle. So we're going to go, the cable needle gets 1 stitch which hangs to the back. Alright, and get my yarn out of the way. Then I knit 2 from the left needle tip. And now we bring up the cable needle and we are going to knit 1 from the cable needle. Let me push that out of the way, or actually more realistically, since you won't be doing that, let's hold them together parallel here. So I'm going to knit 1 from the cable needle, and that gives us 2 stitches crossed over 1, and they lean to the right. Without a cable needle, it'll look like this. I'm going to place my right needle tip through the 2nd and 3rd stitch on the left needle tip, skipping the first one. We're going to pinch all 3 at the base. I'm going to pull my left needle tip out. This one that is now dangling, I'm going to pick it up with the left needle tip. Then I place these 2 back on the left needle tip, and then I knit across all 3. We've rearranged them, now we can work them.